Caught me when I'm sweating, which is not bad rare, but I should be a supervisor by now, but I'm not. Anyway, we're doing a corner bead, and I'll show you how things that I know about corner bead. Some of the things I know. Okay. First of all, you want to cut your corner bead, which is metal that has a profile. You notice it's built up off of each side so that you can slide mud over the top of that. Okay? So this is cut to length. That's what you want to do, cut to length. Make sure you don't have anything that's going to keep you bulged out. And make an issue. And then you put it up here. Well, in this case, we use a screw. On one of the videos, I showed you a corner bead clincher. You can do that. And you can also use nails. A lot of guys like nails. The thing about screws is that you want to make sure you don't pull so far down that it'll twist the metal. You want to try to keep it straight. So try to eyeball it straight. And one of the ways you can kind of avoid doing that is put, where you put one screw, put another screw over here, close. Now you can use these holes, or you can use the smaller holes, either way you want. But the idea is to get it where it's tight and where it stands up. Now you can twist it around, and then this will be hidden when you go across instead of this. What you want is that corner to be the high on both sides. All right, so we're going to keep on. Now, the reason I use screws as opposed to nails, it's a lot harder to knock that off with a piece of furniture or something else. And you can always change something if you make a mistake. You can always pull a screw out. It's harder to pull a nail out. And it is easier to knock a nail off or for the nail to have vibration and pull out. I'm not saying you should do it with nails. I'm just saying that's the reason I'm doing it with screws. You can also do it with a corner bead clincher, but that clincher, it relies on those little bitty pinches on the sides to hold that metal on. It didn't take very much to knock it off. So I could live with me. The customer might not know how good of a job I'm doing. But I do, and I can live with me. I can sleep with me. I can do this a little bit better. Takes a little more time, a little more money. That's what I want to do, and that's what you should do. Because you might not want to do it later on over and over fixing it. But everybody has to make their decision. There you go. Just try to keep it straight.